So for my partial credit, I got number 6 and number 12, which I'll do in a second. But for number 6, I realized I didn't answer it at all. I just left it just like this. I realized that once I got to the question, I didn't really understand what I was supposed to do. And then I realized that I didn't know the 30, 60, 90 triangle like I thought I did. So what I did here is I broke down the steps for 5 sine squared, 30 degrees, as you can see. And then I broke down for tangent, 60 degrees. And then to which I got this answer. Okay, for number 12, we had to solve for x and then round to the nearest tenth once we got our answer. On the test, I thought that adding another variable right here and then solving this triangle and then doing it by like having that number and then doing that would help me find x. Like at first I used tangent for 38 to find, I think I put y there, and then once I did that I used cosine for 54 and got x equals 14.7. Oh, that says to the 10th, sorry. So it'd be 17.4. But that's how I did it on the test. So thank God for partial credit. I went back and I looked at my notes on 2.3 and realized that we had an example just like this. I don't know why I skipped over that, but that was my mistake. But I found out that this was a lot easier than doing tangent and cosine, because like I just got so confused because I was like, I knew I had seen this before, I just could not remember what to do, so I just did with what I thought was best. So basically I took the tangent of 54 degrees and got h over x, and then tangent over 38 degrees and put h over 32 plus x, and then you realize that they combine because they're both equal to h, and then you work it out, factor out the x, and then you take x equals 32 tangent 38 degrees over tangent 54 degrees minus tangent 38, and I got 17.4 for x.